Morning everyone.
Morning everyone.
It's another day, it's Friday, no it's Thursday. It's Thursday today. The days are going so quickly. Anyway, it's Thursday today, and today's challenge is that I've thought about having spotlights in the dining room and kitchen. So I'm going to have probably about 8 or 10 spotlights. Obviously we've got pendant lamps at the moment. The joists will run from the side of the house out to the outside of the house lengthways, which means if the joists are running that way, I could just feed cables through and it'd be easy, but we can't do that. So what I've got to do is the joists will run this way, and so there will be some lights there. So I've actually got to run the cable, I've got to drill holes through each side, going through each one to feed the cable through to where the light's going and to the next one. So it's like daisy chain. So basically I have one over there, comes up to here, there, and so on, all the way to the pendant, so to one of these lights to take the feed from. So that's my job today. So, and Karen is, what are you doing?
Well, I'm tidying up all the tools. You can't see them on the moment, all the tools on the floor. I don't know if you can see it. I've started already. All the mess, I've got to clear it all out today and all outside, get it all in the shed, so ready for all the kitchen and the plastering to be done. So my job is tidying up today.
So once I've done this, guys, so basically I'll be knocking loads of holes in there to feed either 1 mil or 1.5 twin and earth lighting cable through the ceiling. Obviously I will have all the electrics checked at the end, so don't worry guys, but I will be cabling this myself, but I will have a qualified electrician just to sign it off at the end. So I'm going to be doing that. So I'm going to knock in a load of holes in, feeding all the cables, finding out where it's going to go, and leaving the cables down, and then I'm going to be re-plasterboarding over the top. One, it's going to help insulation as well and make it a bit warmer in here, ready for plastering, because obviously when I'm going to whack holes, I'm not going to want to fix the holes. It's just quick and easy just to plaster the whole ceiling in one, and then leaving all the cables down so I can connect up and just push the lights down once it's all been plaster skimmed. So we'll put it on time lapse, and we'll catch up with you later on, guys. Bye.
Bye.
as you can see now, basically we've done the cable, so the cable, the lighting cable, will connect up to this light here. Once we remove this light, this will connect into this rose or fit in behind there. So when you turn the switch on, this goes down, runs to the first one, comes along this one, this one, this one, this one. It runs across and comes all the way down, loops all the way down to the last one in there. So basically we've got 10 lamps, 5 each side. I've run these two a bit closer. They suggest 4 foot spacing, so basically these are 4 foot across and 4 foot down, and the last ones here are actually 3 foot. From here to 3 foot. I've just pulled them away because we've got cabinets going all down this wall here, and I've done them set back about 4 inches from the cabinets, because while I've done that is so the light will shine down on the work surface here, so it'll be nice and bright for when you're cooking. So that's the reason for that. So the next stage now is, now I've found all the fittings there, I'm now going to plasterboard over the top. Got dust everywhere, look. So I'm going to plasterboard over the top using longer plasterboard screws. These are 2-inch screws, 2-inch plasterboard screws. Up there we've got, could be 9mm, could be 12mm, and then I'm putting 9mm on top. So roughly 20mm, and then I've got 30mm that's going to pull into the joist that's there. Obviously I've got to make sure that when I drill through the cabling that this 30mm won't go into the cable that I've done, but I actually drilled that and made sure that when I put the drill through, I was at least 30mm up from the bottom of the joist, just in case I screwed through. But obviously I know where the markings are. I've come away 2 foot from the sides, so when I'm screwing my plasterboard up, I'll avoid 2 foot from the side putting this screw in, just so I don't, if it did go through into the cable. But it won't, because as I said, I've gone up more than 35mm from this side, and I've angled up, so just to make sure that if it did go in, it wouldn't go in to that part. So well, that's it guys. The next part is plasterboarding, which is tomorrow, because that's enough for today. And Karen's outside. I'll just show you what Karen's doing. Take you outside. Karen's been clearing up all this part in here, and she is outside here. We put a gazebo up in the garden here, and we had all tools set up and tables and tools set up, but we're just about to take this down. We'll put you on time lapse if you want for that, because what it is here on this window here, here there's a window and a door. Next week we're going to rip out, knock down this wall here, and I'll come on the side here and show you that we've got this door here. Hopefully you can see that. We've got French doors here with glass. This is going to be going in the back there, so quite a big job to do for next week, and we want this out of the way. So we'll put this on time lapse while we take this gazebo down. You can have a bit of a last trying to put this gazebo down, guys.